Have you ever found yourself panicking over a trade, staring at the screen, wondering if you should close it before it's too late? The anxiety, the racing thoughts. Am I making a mistake? Should I wait just a bit longer? We've all been there. Or have you thought, if only I could stay calm, things would be different? Well, what if I told you the biggest challenge in Forex trading isn't about learning the most advanced strategies, mastering market indicators, or staying glued to your screen? It's actually about something much simpler, yet incredibly powerful: mastering your patience. In this video, we'll learn how to take Forex trading from a stress-inducing headache to a profitable side hustle by mastering this one essential skill. Stick with me, and I'll show you how patience can completely transform your trading journey and your results. I know many of you have been there. You see an opportunity in the market, and your instincts are shouting, "Go, go, go!" The market seems to be moving in your favor, and you want to jump in immediately. It's almost like a surge of adrenaline, and in that moment, it feels like you're on the verge of something great. But let me tell you, acting too quickly is one of the biggest reasons traders lose money. Trust me, I've seen it over and over again. The market can change in an instant, and without a solid plan, you could end up on the losing side before you even realize what's happening. I've seen traders make huge gains one moment, only to lose it all in a heartbeat simply because they rushed in without thinking. It's all too common, and it's a mistake you want to avoid. Let me be real with you. Forex trading is not a get-rich-quick game. It's a disciplined business. Just like any other business, it needs strategy, planning, and, most importantly, patience. Successful trading requires you to understand that markets can be unpredictable and volatile, and trying to control every moment is a losing battle. Instead, think of Forex trading like managing a well-run business. You wouldn't constantly change your business plan or stress over every minor fluctuation in your sales numbers, would you? You'd focus on the big picture, work your strategy, and trust the process. The best traders aren't those who are glued to their screens 24/7, micromanaging every little market movement. They know the importance of a balanced approach. They're the ones who make a plan, set their targets, and let the market do its thing. They understand that not every single fluctuation is worth their immediate attention, and they resist the temptation to overreact to minor changes. By stepping back, they give their trades the space they need to breathe. Remember, patience doesn't mean inaction. It means smart action. It means having the discipline to wait for the right conditions that align with your strategy, and the confidence to walk away once you've done your part. It means trusting your analysis and having the conviction that, over time, the market will reflect the work and research you've put in. True patience is about letting go of the need for instant gratification and instead focusing on consistent, well-planned growth. So, how do you handle this urge to act too quickly? It's simple. Slow down. Here are a few steps you can take. First, before entering any trade, ask yourself, does this trade fit my strategy? Does it meet all my criteria? If the answer isn't a confident yes, then it's probably not worth the risk. Second, always use a stop loss and take profit. Once you've set them, walk away. Seriously, walk away. The market doesn't need you staring at it for it to work. This approach allows you to minimize the emotional ups and downs that often lead to poor decisions. When you stare at the screen, you become emotionally invested in every tiny fluctuation, and that emotional roller coaster can cloud your judgment. Walking away, on the other hand, puts you in control of your emotions. It helps you stay calm and rational, allowing your initial analysis and strategy to play out as intended. Third, create a trading routine. Dedicate a specific time of the day for analysis and executing trades, and stick to it. This routine not only helps in maintaining discipline, but also prevents you from constantly being glued to the screen, worrying about every tick. Consistency is key, and having a well-defined schedule can make all the difference in managing the impulse to act on emotion. Lastly, remind yourself of your long-term goals. It's easy to get caught up in the excitement of short-term movements, but the real money in trading comes from a long-term approach. Stay focused on your bigger goals, and don't let impatience derail your progress. When you act out of impatience, you're not just risking money. You're putting your emotional well-being on the line. Every rushed trade that ends in a loss takes a toll on your confidence, and before long, you might find yourself spiraling. You start making irrational decisions, maybe even start chasing losses, and that's a dangerous place to be. Think of Forex trading like planting a garden. You can't force a flower to bloom faster by staring at it. You plant the seeds, water them, and then wait. It takes time and patience. The same goes for trading. Enter your trade, set your parameters, and trust that given time, it will grow according to the strategy you've planned. Patience isn't something you're just born with. It's a skill that you develop, day by day, trade by trade. Every time you stop yourself from acting impulsively, you're becoming a better trader. And over time, that patience will pay off, not only in your results, but also in your confidence. If you found this video helpful, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss any new tips on how to master Forex trading. And hey, I'd love to hear from you. What's the biggest challenge you face when trying to stay patient with your trades? Drop a comment below and let's help each other grow. Remember, successful traders aren't the ones who move fast. They're the ones who know when to wait. Keep learning, stay patient, and be happy trading.